memory loss. I mean, the last image is this is death.
The drug, Diprovan, used to help induce sleep. Sherilyn says she received a phone call from Jackson's entourage just 4 days before Michael's death.
And I can hear Mark in the background. Tell her that one side of my body is hot, and one side of my body is cold. It's very cold, and I said, tell him he needs to go to the hospital.
Diprovan is also known as milk of amnesia. It puts you to sleep like that for surgeries. It's not for home use. Individuals are not supposed to have it.
Michael's close friend Uri Geller believes Michael relied on medications to help him cope with relentless pressure and media criticism in his later years. He believes the stress of the upcoming tour was too much for Michael to handle.
They need to come back and prove to the world, hey, I'm coming back and I'm the Michael Jackson that you remember. And I think that's exactly what's
More Michael Jackson investigations still ahead.
No.
Bad, Donald, bad! Bad! Look, you like a ghetto little tape right here trying to hold him in. Look at that, look at that, look at that, wow. Bad, Donald, bad! He goes crazy, you see he shook the whole cage.